Hello, today we're doing something a little bit different than what I normally do. I'm making shelves today because I need a storage solution. So I have built these shelves using 2x4s and OSB. So it's very cost effective and easy to do. These can be used for a barn, a trailer, or your garage if you want to build some yourself. This is 16 foot long. You can make it in two 8-foot sections if you want, or just one 8-foot section. Whether you do an 8 or a 16, you're just gonna add on some more legs and then some OSB. But as you can see, I have one done behind me, 2 units of that. This is above my workshop. I'm organizing my supplies, my craft supplies, and things I made inventory by season. So this is just gonna help me get really organized because I'm gonna show you what is behind this camera. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff that I need to get cleaned up. Follow along as we build this together. First thing we need to build are these 2x4 legs. Now the height that I have these at, this can be moved, but what I have is one 2x4 at 53 inches. At an 8-foot board, you can make one leg. So I have one cut at 53, and then these 2 supports here, that is what these horizontal pieces rest on. These are 20-inch pieces. So I have 20 inches of clearance here, 25 inches of clearance here, and then this is actually a low ceiling. This is the loft above my wood shop. So I have 24 inches of clearance up here. The OSB, I'm using subfloor because guess what? I had it left over. So this is 3/4 inch subfloor. I wouldn't go any thinner than 1/2 inch. I'd probably do 5/8 or 3/4 would be what I recommend. We're going to make 10 legs total, and each of them is going to be 53 inches long. So from one 8-foot board, I can get a 53-inch piece, and then you're going to cut 2 pieces at 20 inches. And these 3 pieces, we're going to assemble them and make the leg. So I'm going to assemble them face to face. The first 20-inch piece goes down at the very bottom. So these are going to be like the bottom legs. And you could cut these 20-inch pieces shorter if you wanted. It's just easier to do it this way. Then the top piece, you're gonna mark and measure at 4.5 inches down from the top. And that gives us enough room to run another 2x4 and gives us 1 inch for the plywood. So it's not hanging up and over that, so it sits in there. And I have a framing nailer that I'm using this because this is way quicker than using screws. Got 10 legs together. The first thing I need to do is build one side, which is going to take 5 of the legs and 2 16-foot long 2x4s. Once I have these 2 sides together, I'm going to start nailing in my support pieces. So I have cut pieces at 45.5 inches, and that's giving me enough room so that my subflooring that I'm putting in, it's 4x8 sheet. So the 45.5 inches is like the perfect width that I want these to be. Now, getting the first few started by yourself is a little bit of a science here, but I'm just basically marking and measuring so they get lined up. And this first one, it's a bit of a balancing act, but I'm used to working by myself, so I usually always just figure it out. But using this framing nailer is a little bit easier than trying to start a screw and balance everything. Okay, so I'm going to put 3 of these support pieces under each 4x8 sheet. So I have 12 total. There's gonna be 6 on the bottom and then 6 on the top shelf. And this isn't like the main support. They kind of help keep that plywood straight. After I get those bottom ones in, I put 2 sheets of the plywood there. And then I am adding the top support ones. Now I'm gonna get the other pieces of plywood slid up and over and on that top shelf there. And once I get these pieces on, I nail them down in a few spots. I go into the frame. Doesn't need a lot. I'm just trying to hold it in place so it doesn't, slide around. The nails I'm using are 2 3/8 inches long. That's what I've been using this whole time. I would like actually 2.5, but I can only find 2 3/8, and I didn't want 3 inches because it might be going through when I do the 2x4s together. So 2 3/8 it is. And once you get that down, my shelves are all done and they are ready to get loaded up with all my supplies and my seasonal stuff. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and follow me.